Today, we'll be taking a look at the temperature sensor on this Whirlpool gas range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now that we are at the back of the unit, we have clear access to our temperature sensor down here. Now the main reason why you need to access this temperature sensor is if you are throwing a temperature sensor error code, or you may notice that the temperatures are incorrect. Now to test your sensor, we'll have to separate the harness by pinching on the end, separate it, and then right here you would test for ohms. You use your voltmeter, and you should read anywhere maybe around 1,000 to 1,100 ohms on this at room temperature. If it is way off, it will need to be replaced, and of course if it is open or the internal wiring is damaged, it will also need to be replaced. Now, to replace it, we have 2 Phillips screws on the inside. They'll have to be taken out. Remove these, slide out on the temperature sensor, and set it to the side. When installing a new sensor, first, just try to slide it directly through the hole that it came from. We will line it up and install our first screw on the right-hand side. Followed by the second one. Plug back in our harness, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.